guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a deluxe Philly cheese shroom steak. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Deluxe Philly cheese shroom steak. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat this. See how big this is, you guys? I don't know. I'm gonna attempt to. I'm gonna see how it tastes. Like, where do I start? Oh my god. Woo. Perfect, y'all. I just can't even eat it all. I can't even fit it in my mouth. This is crazy. This thing is huge. Oh. Deluxe Philly cheese shroom steak, y'all. I got sauce all over my hands. I'm gonna have to cut this in half because I don't even think I'm gonna be able to eat even most of it. Look how big this thing is, y'all. But it's good though. Here is all your ingredients. Slice up your peppers, onions, and mushrooms. And now we're gonna go ahead and saute our vegetables. And you guys, I thought I pressed record earlier when I was actually adding the vegetables to the griller. Apparently I didn't. But anyway, so here we are. We're gonna add the vegetables to the griller. I'm gonna also add more cooking spray on top of the vegetables, just so they won't burn. And now we're going to add some seasoning to our vegetables. And you guys, you could use whatever seasonings that you like. I just use Cajun seasoning for mines. Now we're going to stir this for a few seconds just to make sure that the seasoning is coated all through the vegetables. Now we're going to cover the vegetables and let them sweat down for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to remove the lid and let them cook for an additional 5 minutes just to make sure they are nice and tender. And while we're waiting for the vegetables to finish cooking, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and make some garlic butter. This is optional. I'm going to use this to brush over the bread just to give it a little bit more flavor. And I do have some potato wedges in the air fryer. And now it's time to make your deluxe Philly cheese shroom steak. Cut your hoagie bun open without cutting it all the way through. You're going to add your mayo as much as you like. Add some shredded lettuce. Two slices of tomatoes. Add your vegetables. Now you're going to add your Daiya cheese sauce.
Say 98.
Ooh, don't that look delicious, y'all? Look at that. Ooh. Y'all, I forgot to add the garlic butter before I start filling the hoagie bun, but this is what I'm doing right here. So, but anyway, it still came out good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. See you next time. Bye.